Gracias, Doriya San.
Yes, good morning, Alma.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, ma. You want me to take the class or will you revise, ma? Shall I take the class today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
just give me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll take the class. Just. Yes, I'll discuss something related to operating systems, like how will you measure the system performance? Okay, so obviously, it is a function of the operating system. You could say, excuse, the major function, one of the major functions of the operating systems is to monitor the performance and to remove the errors, like debugging the processes. Debugging means removing the errors from the processes and the systems, and simultaneously managing the system resources in a very effective manner, making the decisions and evaluating and examining systems. Yes, I repeat, one of the major functions of the operating system is to monitor the system performance, where the processes are taken care, like no erroneous processes are admitted, and the system resources are managed in a very perfect manner, and moreover, like making the system decisions and evaluating the uh, systems. Okay, so like you could have real time and log based tools which are used for monitoring. I repeat, so there are large number of operating system and process monitoring tools available, which are called as real time and log based. Okay, so real time monitoring tools, real time, like up to date information about the system and the performance is taken care real time. Bole to till now what exactly about the system is taken care. Real time monitoring tools are considered, like they are concerned with measuring the current system state, and they provide up to date information about the system performance. And log based monitoring tools, what do you mean by log, ma? Logs, logs, what do you mean by logs?
fast?
Hmm? Something will be stored about the transactions or the processes. Yes or no? Log, generals, logs, commerce में किसको बोलते हैं? There are some transactions which have been recorded that you call it as log. Yes or no? Here also, log-based monitoring tools record the system performance information, like whatever are there for further processing or whatever the processes have been done, those records are being maintained, then you call it as the log based monitoring. So log based monitoring tools record the system performance information for post processing and analysis and to find the trends in the system performance. Yes, so they are basically used for
Ma'am, once again, can you repeat for this log based?
Yeah, I got disconnected. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, yes, this is about your real time tools and log based tools. Now, what do you mean by task manager? Girls, these are fundamentals like which you have to know.
Ma'am,
That's all. Just listen. Yes, ma.
can you please repeat this log based?
Log based are for like post processing, ma. Log based. See, it is not only for post processing. What do you mean by post processing?
पहले process concept. What do you?
Executing them later on, that is what you call it as post processing, like going on with the process, executing of the processes afterwards, means something is correct collected or something which has been executed, that history will be stored. This is what you call it as like log based. They like these
Yeah, they
tools
recorded.
yeah, yeah, the what does these do? Log based tools, they record the system performance information, like what exactly the state of the system for post processing, and even not only for post processing, even the things which have been executed or which have been processed also are maintained according to the system performance, which is taken care by the log based tools. Okay, ma?
Yes, ma'am. No,
Yeah,
I want
task.
to write about it. So will you please dictate it once?
No, no, no. I'll post the notes, ma. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, surely I'll post the notes today. Not an issue. By night, by evening, I'll post it. Okay. Whatever I'm explaining. Yes. So, task manager. What do you mean by task manager?
Who performs task?
No, it does not perform the task.
It
It
manages task.
monitors. It like it checks about the tasks which the system has to perform. Like a task manager is probably the most well known tool for monitoring the processes on the Windows operating system. Okay, so the next one is the performance monitor. What do you mean by performance monitor?
One who monitors the performance.
Yeah,
Yes,
monitor access.
performance monitor is the one. It is the most common operating system performance monitoring, like which acts as both real time and log time. As I said, to measure the performance of the system, you have real based tools and log based tools. Yes or no? So, a dononku which goes in coordination with these both things, you call it as the performance monitor. I repeat, girls. So there are large number of operating system and process monitoring tools available. Basically, what I'm discussing today is system performance. Okay, System performance is nothing but how the system could do like all the activities starting from the execution of the process, removing the errors from the process, and managing the system resources properly and making the system decisions, etc., all come under system performance. So the system performance could be carried out in both tools, by making use of tools like real time tools and log based tools. Real time tools are those which measure the performance of the system up to date, current जो भी है ना वहां तक, whichever check that you call it as a real time. And whereas coming to log based is like apart from the system performance till date, it also takes care of the post processing or the processes which have been already executed. Every record of the process is taken care in the log based. So the task manager is the one which monitors or which controls both like which controls the processes which are ever are going on, and the performance monitor is the one which takes care as which acts as both real time and log based performance monitoring tool. Okay, hope you are understanding, ma? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll go to the next topic, and uh, this is continuation of operating system, ma, like unit 4, I guess. And better you purchase the textbooks, ma, okay, so that you could revise from the textbook directly. However, I'll post the notes, don't worry. Yes, ma, this all we have discussed the picture which I am sharing, and they are all again fundamentals actually, but I have to explain. Okay, just a moment. Yeah, I think something is visible. Yes, operating system concepts, like see, if you could see.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so you have like software objects include the initializing of task is called as a system call. Even this I have discussed, yes or no? If you could remember, whenever I start the system, it is the operating system which is being loaded first, and then it instructs the system to get ready for the task which is being given by the user. So ये जो process है ना, you call it as a system call. The initializing of the task is known as the system call. And yes, it uses like various software objects managed by the operating system. Like see, various software, whenever this task call is being system call is being initiated, there will be various software objects which are being managed by the operating system, and these objects could be process. Yes, what is a process? I said like you call even it as a thread, thread. Yes or no? Thus, if you could remember, a process which is under running, which is executing, is called as a thread. So you have like process. What is a process? Is basically a program in execution. So you even call it as a thread. Okay. And if you could see, it is further broken into smaller units. Like A is further divided into B and C, where B is further categorized into D, E, and F. Like see, they are called as smaller units. Okay, so one process generates another process which becomes the child of the first process. You could see this structure, you call it as a process tree. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Like see, the regeneration level of the process tree goes up to अपने को ना एक ही process दिखता है, but internally see, everything is, any complex thing will be divided into simpler ones, complex things made into simpler ones. Okay, that is what you call it as like by separating or functions in as you go through higher level languages, you'll understand these concepts. Okay, so you could see like subunits are called as threads. So the smallest execution in any system is called as a thread. This all we have discussed prior only before going through this. Okay, so any process could be new, means which has to be created, and running, where it is under execution. Waiting, yes, waiting means where the process or the processor has to call that process. Then you call it as it the waiting mode. Yes or no? The process is waiting for some event to occur, and ready, the process, like we say no, get ready for the exam, means it is about to be conducted. So it is about to taken up by the operating system and given to the processor. Then you call that process as to be in a ready state, and then terminated. Yes, terminated or aborted. There may be two cases, though not described here. Terminated means like the if once the transaction or the process has been done, then also it could be finished. Or at times it may be stubborn, like the process has some resources to be taken, or some resources which have to be which are needed by the process. At that time the process is said to be wait, or the process may be aborted. Aborted बोले तो निकाल दिया जाता है उसको. Then also it could be the stage. So what are the different stages? Like for the process you have new, waiting, ready, running, and terminated.
Ma'am,
Okay.
while doing a program, it undergoes these stages.
No, 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 not exactly. So a process could be in any one of the stage, beta. एक कौन सा भी एक स्टेज में रहता है, या तो न्यू स्टेट means the process is about to start, or we are creating the new process. Okay. Or it may be in the running state, means the process is already getting executed. Or it could be in the waiting, like it has been created, it has been running, but due to some problems it may be in the waited state. Okay. And another process also, like it is assigned to a processor, so it has to be waited, like it has to get ready. And last is, as I said, it may be terminated or it may be aborted. Both the cases, agar kaam ho gaya to, then obviously it will be terminated. In the sense, it will be like processor ko kuch bhi kaam nahi hai na, from that processing it will be, from that processing log, from the processing records it will be taken out. Yes or no? Otherwise, if it is troubling, if the process is about to require in requirement of some resources, or it is complicated, then it would be aborted. पूरा ही निकाल दिया जाता है. Yes or no? It could be in one of the stages, ma, not all the stages. ठीक है ना?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
Just a
ma'am.
moment. Yeah. Yes. Now you could see what is this files. What do you mean by files, ma? You tell me in general. Which is the collection of some records or folders. Yes or no? So
Yes.
now, if you could see, what is the functions of the operating system? We have even seen that it as the memory management. Yes or no? Memory management, like see, storing the user's data and programs permanently in the secondary storage devices, which could be like floppy drive or the hard disk. And it is necessary because the computer performs its basic activities using RAM, which is volatile in nature. And secondary storage are even available to store the data, which is permanent in nature. Yes or no? So that they could be used in the future. So it is nothing but future. So files are used to store information only. It cannot be stored, uh, like it cannot be used to store information of other files, like where they are stored. So uh, क्या होता है ऐसा? What I want to say is, suppose you are working on throughout a day and all the files are scattered. Then you want to get something for in the future use. Yes or no? It is very difficult for you to get back the files. Yes or no? So can anyone tell me what is the best method to adopt?
Backup.
Okay, backup. Yes. Apart from that, I said, like, see, I'm not saying about the system failure to the system, then the comes the answer of backup. Now I want to say, see, all your books are scattered one in one place and one in one place. So what will you do? What will you do?
Search for
You,
it.
huh?
We'll arrange them in which order.
Yeah, you'll arrange them in an order, and
We will search.
and
And search it.
We'll make a file.
already file में like समझो आपका घर ही file है and all your books are scattered, like records in the file are scattered. What will you do? एक साथ जमा करके what is the next?
Separate.
Huh?
We'll
Store
search
it
for
in
that.
proper manner and see that it will not.
You will arrange them in proper manner and keep them either in the shelf or in the bag or some table or chair or somewhere. Yes or no?
Make
Some
sure it
place.
doesn't scatter in future.
Yeah. So no, exactly, like not scattering in future. When they are arranged, then there comes no question of scattering. What is that? You can go through them in a proper manner. Yes or no? So when these files are arranged differently, then there comes the concept of directory. Yes or no? This is what I wanted you to. The shelf where we arrange the books. Yes or no? Here in the computer terminology, we call it as a directory. So क्या हो रहा है? All the files which consists of folders or records, ठीक है? ये सब ना the collection of folders or records are like it's called as a file, and this collection of files you call it as a directory. तो क्या करते हैं? We maintain a directory and all whatever the things related to that are stored in the directory. So system calls are needed to create and remove directories and files. Okay, the storage of information in terms of files and directories is known as the file system. I'll share the
Ma'am,
screen.
directory will be there in every system.
No. We have to create a directory, ma. We have to create directory. Like in DOS commands, DOS, disk operating system, we have something called as mkdir. बोले तो make a directory. Okay, which means that it creates a directory for us, and in that we can create files and folders.
Store file.
And what we do? Yes, here we make a folder in Windows operating system, and we dump all the files. Yes or no?
Yes.
Am I to you girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sharing the screen, ma. Yes, if you could see where I have different sort of things where ABC, yes, directories are used to store files and subdirectories, and no information is stored in the directory itself. Directly, directory में कुछ नहीं रहता है. Directory consists of subdirectories and files. Okay, so if you could see, girls,
Which
this
we
is
have to
very
make.
important. Yes, if let me explain the example here. If you go through the file 4, what will be the path? Like file 4 is in MNO, which is in ABC. Yes or no? ABC is the main directory, MNO is the subdirectory, and file 4 is the name of the file. Yes or no? Do you agree, girls?
Understood. Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
directly file 1 is in ABC directory and file 2 is in ABC directory, whereas file 3 and file 4 are in the subdirectory MNO, which comes under the main directory as ABC. This you call it as the paths. Yes or no, Rasta? So yes.
File system.
Any doubts?
Location of the file. We are searching for location of
Yes,
file.
very good. Location, yeah, the URL, what you call indirectly, uniform resource locator.
Storing in a particular place.
Yes.
That is directory.
Yeah. Yes. Now the next one, the last concept which you could see, like it's about your pipes. Okay. So what is a pipe?
So what?
A sort of connectivity. Do you agree or not?
Yeah, it
It
helps to
connect two
connection.
things.
Yeah.
To and from, like you are getting something from where it has to be transferred to, like it is a
Yes.
process of to and from. That is what you call it as a pipe. It is a sort of wire
Connector.
which, yeah, which is it is a connector which can be used to connect two processes together, and they can be used for inter-process communication. Like, see, internally the processes need to communicate so as to accomplish the task. So this methodology for the processes to communicate, the methodology of pipes is used. Okay. If you could see, where there is a pipe which is being connected for the processes A and B, and A process communicates with the process B, where by means of the pipe. So if A wants to send data to process B, it writes on the pipe as through it were an output file, and then process B reads the data by reading the file, and as though it were an input file. Okay. So you know that, like, once one process is writing, the other process reads. Yes or no? And
Yes.
again, after reading, that process processes, and again it writes in the form of output. Yes or no? Then that again is being read by the other process. Bole to, again it becomes reading and writing process ma. Yes or no? This even fundamentals we have studied. If we write, the computer understands, and the computer reads, and then the computer writes where we read.
We
Yes or no?
understand.
Like
Yes.
input output chalta रहता है. तो ये क्या हो रहा है? Instead of the user and the computer, it is between the two processes where the communication goes on with the help of the pipe. Inter process communication के लिए single word में what is the use of pipe? It is for inter process communication. I hope you are understanding, ma. Yes, the
Yes.
next
Yes,
one
ma'am.
is system calls. Yes. Now, it's not always needed for the user to interact, and always interacting with the operating system for creating files or the directories or any other services required. So, like, there may be some shortcut methods available for like text editors or the creating files for sorting the data. Like, if you could see, there are some application softwares where you could use, rather than communicating with the operating system, you could make use of that application software and make the things happen. Okay. So that is what you call it as a system call. So application programs communicate with the operating system and request services from it by making system calls. Okay, let me tell you now. Suppose I have to do some addition, or I have to maintain the data or some information about 10 students. Yes or no? There is no need for me to communicate with the operating system. तो मेरे को क्या है? The application software. You know what is application software? Yes or no? So the application software which I could use here is Excel. Yes or no? Excel spreadsheet, because I could enter the data of 10 students. I could calculate the marks or the totals of those 10 students and do my work. Yes or no? Whereas I am directly working with the application software, where this application software makes the system call. Bole to, like, I have to do the work where it is alerting the system. That is what you call it as the system call. So application programs communicate with the operating system and request services from it by making system calls. I hope I am clear with these words, ma, like what I want to say. Now I want to type some 100 lines of text. Yes, what is the need of the operating system? Like, operating system, it is being loaded, and I have been doing. Now it is, I directly go through the Word document and start typing the text. So this Word is the application software where it instructs or it makes aware the operating system. Then you call it as the system call. बोलते system को बुला रहा है, like, I am doing my work, let me do it. Okay. So This is what you call it as a system call. Operating system provides several system calls for carrying out various activities like creating a file or directory, removing a file or directory, or even renaming a file. Okay, so this application software, it is not limited only for creating a file or renaming a file or deleting a file. As I said, any application software where through which we are making the task, we are accomplishing our task, that communicates with the operating system, then you call it as the system call. Okay ma? Yes, the shell, generally ma, this shell programming, before, like if you could imagine, it was very much popular in Linux and Unix ma. This it's a very complicated, like Linux and Unix, where it is also entirely about command based, and moreover shell. What do you mean by shell?
A coverage.
Cover or
Coverage.
Yes.
Which
Something
gives command.
shell. Okay, like nothing could outer part will be visible, but inner part is not visible to us. Yes or no? Shell may generally, if you go through. So
Yes,
यहाँ
yes.
पे in computer terminology, if you go through what is shell, like it is the command interpreter ma. Whatever the instructions we give, okay, generally we give in English. Yes or no? We don't give in zeros and ones, or we don't give in any other. We could now, it's like we can give in any other language, but example if I'm taking, but programming is given for high level languages mostly in English. So what is happening, you call here it as a command interpreter for the operating system. See, when the user using like language like English, and which the computer will not understand, so a command interpreter क्या होता है? As I said, there will be compilers, interpreters, and assemblers. So this command interpreter, what it will do, it converts whatever the commands which are given in English or any other language into the machine understandable form. So this shell holds all those things. That is what you call it as a shell. So shell is the command interpreter for the operating system. ये एक बात से समझो, command interpreter क्या है? We give the commands in so-called language like English or any other language, but what is happening, as the computer does not understand, this interpreter acts as an interface which converts the human language into machine understandable form. Yes or no? So that is what, like MS-DOS is command.com. So the command interpreter acts as the interface between the user and the operating system. So a shell क्या है? It is a command interpreter. What is a command interpreter? It acts as an interface between the computer, the operating system, and the user. ये दो बात, it's very important. What is a shell ma? It's a command interpreter for the operating system. Why it is a command interpreter? Because the user does not understand machine language, nor the machine understands the human language. So in order to both to communicate, there is a need of a interface, which you call it as a interpreter, which interprets or which translates, which makes the code from human to machine and machine to human. Itach. Okay, so and another important point, it is the interface between the user and the operating system. Yes, I hope I'm clear. Next two we'll discuss. Yes, what is throughput and what is turnaround time?
Throughput is total amount of work performed by the system, and
Okay.
turnaround is the breaks between the time.
Yes. Just a moment, I'll share this. Yeah, Ruksar, what's your problem? N number of times logging in and logging out? Yes, Ruksar? Yes, throughput is nothing but the total amount of the work which is performed by the system over a given period of time. Then you call it as a throughput. Okay, so more amount of work per unit of time consider will prove the efficiency and usefulness of the operating system. Like see, just we persons as employees get paid by hours. Yes or no? Like uh, what do you say, working hours. Okay, wage per hour and wage per salary per month. Yes or no? Similarly, it depends on the efficiency, like throughput. It could be calculated, like we could come out, we could know, we could measure the operating system efficiency and capability by means of this throughput. What do you mean by throughput, ma? The total amount of work which is
Performed
performed
by
by
the
the system
computer.
over a given period of time. बोले तो how many things is the particular operating system accomplishing? How we could check the efficiency of the operating system by this throughput. Yes or no? That is what you call it as throughput. Okay, turnaround time, as she said, the response time, you call it as the turnaround time. Like see, in the sense, ab samjho, I'm asking you question, you are repeating me. It could be either in a minute, a second, or some minutes also. So that is like whenever the user is giving instructions and the response he gets back from the operating system or the system, that you could call it as the turn around time, which is also called as the response time. Yes or no? This, if you know what is response time, then you could understand. It defines as the interval between the time a user submits his job to the system for processing and the time he receives the results, which is also called as response time. And it is very important where different users share one system in a network. The number of users, the more load will be given on the operating system. Yes or no? Obviously. So it depends, like the once the user has given some instructions where the process begins and the time which the user gets back the results. Okay, that is what we call it as the turnaround time. Even you call it as the response time.
Ma'am, example for turnaround time.
Turnaround time, see, you are opening Excel. Yes, and then and there you are doing the job, like uh, creating the charts of the particular thing. Okay, that could be one example. And yes, sometimes there will be problem in loading the things also. Yes or no? Ek chart hi samajhte, but it takes some time. The time, and if you take like best example, you are asking for something the system to do and it responds back to you. Okay,
Okay.
see, not only about when your system is connected to internet, like uh, जैसा कि आप कुछ टाइप कर रहे हैं, respond कर रहा है, not only that, if you could see, when you have opened the system, like you have started the system and you are trying to open some application, like it could be Chrome or it could be Windows or it could be PowerPoint. ठीक है, आप एक इंस्ट्रक्शन दे रहे हैं, by the time the system responds back to you, जो टाइम है ना, the interval, that you call it as turn around time, response time.
Ma'am, like we are asking for addition and then we are getting the results. That period between the period is known as response time, the duration.
Yes. The time, like it's that it could be said, or it could be the time which you call it as the question, the time interval between the question and the answer between the user and the operating system. ठीक है? The time gap between the question and the answer, that you call it as response time. ठीक है?
Yes.
Still any doubts?
No.
Yes, ma'am. Can you please explain system calls once again? I did not get it.
Yeah, 1 second, I'm explaining.
system calls.
Can anyone who has understood explain? Turnaround time, like it's the time of submission of the process
Ma'am,
to
system
the time
calls.
of the completion of the process. Yes, girls. Now listen. Turnaround time. Ma.
I want to understand system calls.
Yeah, I'm explaining. After this, I'll explain.
Okay,
As
ma'am.
there
Okay,
was
okay.
something related to turnaround time, let me be very clear. Like
Okay.
it is the time interval from the time of submission of the process to the time of the completion of the process. Am I clear with this?
Yes.
Okay. Now you want system calls. Yes. What do you mean by system call? Rather than directly going interacting with the operating system, what is happening? There will be the application which will interact with the operating system, that you call it as the system call. So the interface between the process and an operating system is provided by the system call. Actually,
ma'am.
Wait. Actually, there will be lots of things like kernel, shell, etc. Yes, I'll explain. System call, like it provides the interface between the process and the operating system. Yeah, you ask me now, Ma. What is your doubt?
No, the example I want to get.
Okay, system call example. As I said, Ma, see now I want to make a PowerPoint presentation. I don't have to interact with the operating system because operating system is getting already, it will be booted up once I start the system, switch on the system. Now what I want to say is, now if I'll tell you one best example. Excel sheet le raha hai. One user wants to calculate the total of all the students. That is arithmetic, yes or no? And the second one, there has to be a decision made by the user, like whether they fall under the category A, B, C, D or promoted. ठीक है ना? That is logical, yes or no? I hope you know what is arithmetic and what is logical. So
Yes,
what is
ma'am.
happening here in
Yes,
this case, what I want to say is, now the user has opened the Excel or the application software, where this application software, the so-called Excel spreadsheet, will interact with the operating system. That is what you call it as the system call. Like there is no direct interaction between the user and the operating system. Instead, what is happening? Yes, it is the application software, the so-called Excel worksheet will start communicating with the OS. That is what you call it as system call. Ab dekho ba, now I'm suppose, for example, if I am right clicking and going for create a folder, yes or no, it is directly interacting with the operating system, because memory management is also one of the functions, or creating a process. Yes, creating a folder is also a process, yes or no? Everything we do in the system is a
उसके सामने सुपरमैन स्पाइडरमैन तो दिखेगी। रे 10 वाले साइकिल को लॉक डाल के आ रे रे 10 वाले रे तुम्हारी आंखों की छेड़ा रे रे।
Yes, Sadia Lubna, what is that? Sadia Lubna. Yes, girls, see, creating a file or opening the existing file or doing manipulations with the already existing file, that is direct interaction with the operating system. But here, when I'm making use of directly the application software like Word or PowerPoint or Excel or some sort of WordPad, some sort I'm doing C, C++, then I am interacting with the software.
Okay, next one.
What is this, Sadia Lubna?
Excuse me, ma'am. There's a lot of disturbance
Okay, this
going
is
on.
last one. This is right.
Ma'am, you mute everyone.
No,
It's
just
okay,
mute. Ask Sadia Lubna to mute herself.
She herself left. I don't know how people even join. without botheration. Yes. So when such things happen, we are directly interacting with system. But what is happening when I'm making use of some application software? Then that application software has a direct communication with the operating system. There will be no communication or nothing sort of instructions by the user to the operating system. In such cases, you call it as the system call. Okay, ma?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, still any doubts, ma?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Clear.
Yeah. Can you raise the hands? Let me know. I'll take the attendance and wind up. Tomorrow we'll go
No,
for
ma'am.
another concepts. You cannot
No,
raise the
ma'am.
hands.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
We cannot raise the hand.
Ma'am, when you remove the chat box, no, from that time we are unable to raise our hands.
Okay. More security. Now you see, ma? Can you raise your hands?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
It's not the case, ma. Something technical issues. Like, yes, Malakpet girls, can you tell me, like, thumbs up kar sakte? Can you do that?
No, ma'am.
Aisha, Kalim, Yasmin, they are doing, ma. You try it.
Ma'am, it will soon disappear.
It's refreshing. Yes, yes, yes.
12 are from Malakpet.
Only 12 today also?
Yes.
Don't know what these girls are doing from Malakpet branch. What's happening to them? Yes, any doubts, ma? Mariam, other girls who have listened, any doubts? Hafsa, Mahin, Sumayya, Nazmin, Neha, Rubina, Ruksar. Ruksar,
It's
कहाँ थे
clear,
जितने
ma'am.
दिन? And moreover, you are in and out.
No doubts, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 14 are from Lamalakpet.
అదే 93 నెలలు ఎక్కువ అంటే మళ్ళా yes Mariam, I'm making you the host, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, ma. Thank you all for being there. See you all
Thank
tomorrow.
you,
Okay,
ma'am.
bye bye, ma.
Thank you,
Take care.
ma'am.
Yeah, ma. Thank you.
Thank
Bye,
you,
ma.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
You too also, ma'am.
Yeah, ma.
Mariam? Mariam?
Zero. Okay.